How does military discipline lead to Navy courts-martial? Imagine a ship at sea where every crew member's actions can impact the safety and success of the entire mission. Maintaining order in such a high-stakes environment depends heavily on strict discipline. Military discipline in the Navy is the foundation that ensures personnel follow established rules, uphold standards of conduct, and work cohesively as a unit. When this discipline is upheld, the Navy operates smoothly and efficiently. However, when it is broken or disregarded, serious consequences can follow. The core of military discipline involves adherence to the uniform, code of military justice, and the Navy's own regulations. These rules specify expected behaviors, responsibilities, and the consequences of misconduct. For example, violations such as insubordination, theft, drug use, or disobedience of lawful orders threaten the integrity of the entire force. The Navy enforces discipline through a structured system that includes regular training, inspections, and a chain of command that monitors conduct. When a service member commits an offense that breaches established standards, the chain of command investigates the incident. If the misconduct is severe or repeated, it may lead to a formal charge. The process involves a preliminary hearing, and if the case warrants further action, it proceeds to a courts-martial. A courts-martial is a judicial proceeding where evidence is presented, and a panel of officers or a military judge determines guilt or innocence. The link between military discipline and courts-martial is direct. Consistent violations of discipline undermine the authority of commanding officers and threaten the safety and order of the naval force. When disciplinary measures are insufficient or ignored, the Navy must resort to courts-martial to uphold standards and maintain discipline across the fleet. These proceedings serve both as a punitive measure and a deterrent, reinforcing the importance of discipline in maintaining operational readiness and the rule of law within the Navy. In essence, military discipline acts as the first line of defense against misconduct. When it fails, the Navy relies on courts-martial to address serious breaches, ensuring that the integrity, safety, and effectiveness of naval operations are preserved.